What if you could turn one simple cartoon character into an entire story sequence in just minutes? Today, I'm showing you how to use consistent character AI to go from a single cartoon character description to a complete cast of consistent characters ready for storytelling. No drawing or design skills required, just follow along. Let's create a new character. First, I go to the prompt easy and I choose the audio speech to prompt option. A cute Asian girl with big brown eyes, short brown hair, dressed in a white dress with floral and strawberry pattern. She has red shoes. She's standing plain white background. Now I will choose the option to enhance my prompt to make it more structured for the next step. Super fast. I am choosing the option to create my character. And my prompt is already implemented in dedicated fields. I just need to scroll down and choose the size of my image, which is the aspect ratio. 1:1 works for me. And now I'm focusing on choosing the style of my image. There are a few options to choose: Pixar inspired, coloring book, anime, modern Western cartoon, retro comic, chibi, action comic, vector style, and watercolor. My favorite is Pixar inspired, so I will go with that. And generate. The image is already ready of my character. How cute she looks. I love the result. In case I would not be very happy with the result, I would just generate one more time and then I will get the variation of this. Here I can choose different kind of editors to work with, but it makes super simple for me to just follow the next step, which is right here. And I will just press that button to create new scenes for my character. I don't want to have any background. I will just focus on creating a storyboard of my character doing different actions. And the next action would be running. I just provided one short prompt and press the button generate. This is my image reference, and this is the result. Now I can choose to change the expression on this image or edit some kind of elements or change the aspect ratio and work with the editors, or I can keep working on creating my storyboard. And the next will be jumping. Just simple prompt and generate. Great. And the next one is walking to the right. Side view. How cool is that? Let's create one more. All the images created will be available if I scroll down. And now I can edit them, or I can upscale those images, download them with transparent background, or just download with the white background.